Episode 30, Xavier's Contributions to Linguistics. Hello everyone. In this episode, we explore St Francis Xavier's remarkable contributions to linguistics. Xavier's language studies and translations for mission work not only impacted his era but continue to influence modern language studies and the preservation of local dialects. Xavier's language studies and translations for mission work. St Francis Xavier recognized the crucial role of language in effective communication during his mission endeavors. His commitment to learning languages was instrumental in his missionary work. Xavier's multilingual skills. Xavier's dedication led him to become proficient in multiple languages. He studied and learnt local dialects in various regions, enabling him to communicate effectively with the people he aimed to convert. Translation work for missionary purposes. Xavier engaged in translating religious texts and prayers into local languages. This effort was pivotal in enabling the dissemination of Christian teachings among the local populations. Cultural integration through linguistics. Xavier's linguistic efforts weren't merely about communication, but also about cultural integration. His translations helped bridge cultural gaps and built a more profound connection between Christianity and the local population. Impact on missionary strategies. Xavier's emphasis on language and translations influenced future missionary strategies. His approach highlighted the significance of understanding local languages for effective evangelization. Legacy in modern language studies. Xavier's linguistic work and emphasis on language studies became a cornerstone for modern language studies. His approach laid the foundation for understanding and valuing local dialects and languages. Preservation of local dialects. Xavier's efforts indirectly contributed to the preservation of local dialects. His translations and language studies played a part in recording and maintaining linguistic elements of various regions. Impact on cultural heritage preservation. Xavier's linguistic work had an impact on the preservation of cultural heritage. By documenting local languages, he indirectly contributed to the safeguarding of cultural traditions. St. Francis Xavier's contributions to linguistics through his language studies and translations for mission work have had a lasting impact. His approach to understanding and valuing local languages continues to influence modern language studies and the preservation of local dialects. Thank you for joining me for this episode. Xavier's linguistic contributions stand as a testament to the importance of language in fostering effective communication and preserving cultural heritage.